some of the examples of CFG and DFG. The first one we are going to see is online shopping.
The online shopping in the control flow graph. Here first the user will be there and the user authentication detail will be given. We have to mention the details of the user and check details. In this block we have to check our details whether our details are matching to the particular details. So if it is matched, then the home page of the web portal will be opened. We can enter the product, enter the product specification like whatever we want to shop in online, and check whether the availability of the product, whether which we are searching the availability is available or not. Then another block is like similar products will be there. If any similar products are there regarding that product, it will be displayed. We can select the similar product. In that we can select if the similar product which is we selected is not matching, then we can cancel, then automatically it goes into the web page. If the selected product which we select going to buy it, we can buy and payment window will be there. Here we can pay and delivery cash. The two options will be obtained like cash on delivery or payment through online. If you want to select the cash on delivery, we can click on cash on delivery or otherwise online payment. If you go to the online payment, then in the bank server the web page will be open. Whether the person is authentication or not, it will be checked and the payment will be done, and the message which we paid, the message will be sent both through the email and the message to the customer.
All these diagrams were drawn using Insight Maker software.
If you see the DFG of the online shopping map, here also the same thing. The user details will be specified. The specification of the particular product will be there. The customer will click on the specifications of the product. If we want to buy, then goes into the buy. Card details, the details of the card will be displayed. The details of the card, if it is matched, if the person is authenticated, then authentication. Ask for any confirmation message whether you want to pay or not. If it pays, then make if he says the confirmation yes we want to pay, then it will make the payment and send the message email or a text, both will be sent again to the customer. If you want here itself, if you want to cancel, then it will cancel the
next we are going to see the data flow graph for automatic toll booth.
Automatic toll booth, we know that what will happen when the vehicle passes the laser detector sensor waves from the headlight of the vehicle, and the RFID reader sends the RF waves from the good to plate. The camera at the junction will capture the license plate pictures. Axle lines find the vehicle type and the data which will be stored in the database and goes to the plate and pay by the plate. Check for the prepaid account. If it is there, then prepaid account details are verified and paid and the amount will be deducted. And this, if no, then send the SMS to the owner with the deadline for payment. See now the data flow.
The control flow diagram for automatic toll booth.
The RFID here also, the RFID tag will read the radio information from of the particular vehicle plate. The first video capture will be done and the laser detector sensor vehicle approaching and RFID tag information will be read, and this camera axle line and the information is given to the database. Same again the procedure will be repeated. The payment of the plate, if the prepaid account, the amount will be detected. If you are not able to pay, then it will send the message to the owner, the deadline of that particular payment, and the system will end. Suppose we are considering the control flow graph of any vending machine. Suppose the user will place a coin or paper money, something depending upon the machine, and check for the money of the paper money which you are going to insert into the box. Then select which product you want to select will be selected, and the product, if you are not willing to again, then the cancel or reset button will be there. we can reset and go back to the again paper inserting of the coin. If you are selecting the particular product, we can calculate the balance. The product will be the amount of the product which you are selecting depending upon the amount you inserted. Depending upon the amount you are inserted, the amount will be given as an output, and calculate the here the machine will calculate the remaining balance. If you are giving more amount, then the remaining balance will be calculated, and the remaining balance will be dispensed product plus balance will be written back and given as an output. The DFG of the vending machine. Here the person can insert the coin or paper money. Here the laser reads to the fine value, or machine measures the thickness and diameter of the coin. If selection of the product will be selected. Laser reads the bill, calculate the balance to return, and dispense the product and balance. The user collects the balance of the product and end the product.